Hi, it's Bob from Wams Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to create your mandatory homepage for your PowerSchool learning classes. It's already been created for you. All you have to do is add it to your PowerSchool class. Okay, the first thing you have to do is log into your PowerSchool and then log into your class, navigate to your class. So here I am. And then from here, I'm going to go to Library up at the top. And after clicking on Library, one of the first pages you should see in the library is a mandatory homepage. Now, don't choose this homepage. This one is a little outdated. If I scroll down, I should see mandatory homepage. If I don't, oh, there it is. I can always search for it as well. Here we go. The mandatory homepage template, updated September 6th. Okay, and I'll just click on Use Resource. I'm going to add it to an existing class, and you can choose the class to which it belongs. Click on Copy Resource. And then it should appear at the bottom of your list of pages. Okay, here you see that it's loading. I'll refresh the page. All right, so here it is, my mandatory home page. Now, if I want this at the top of my PowerSchool Learning class, right, I have to move it up there. To do so, I'll click on the Organize Pages, and it'll bring me to the screen where I can drag my pages around, right? So then I can go here and I can drag my mandatory home page all the way up. There we go, mandatory home page. And then I make sure I hit apply at the bottom. And that's really it. Then from here, you can go ahead and edit this page quite a bit, right? Click on the gear, click on edit. For each of the content blocks, right? Get rid of the word mandatory for these, input your own information. Click on Save. The one box I recommend adding to this homepage is the Announcements block. To do so, click on Add Content block, Messages and Activities, and then Announcements. And I like to add it to the top of column 2. Click on Save, and it'll show up over here. Okay, the reason why I recommend the announcements and using the announcements feature in PowerSchool Learning is because it's an untapped resource that many teachers don't use, but parents will see when they sign in. Let me show you. So if I were to log out of me as a teacher and instead log in as a parent, mind you, I have 3 kids at Woodward. Okay, so you can see the long list of classes that my kids belong to. And look, this is when you post homework assignments, right? That long list of homework assignments. See how my list of classes take up a quarter of the screen? My calendar takes up a quarter of the screen. And the other half of the screen is announcements. And see how it's blank. This is an untapped resource here. This is prime real estate for you to communicate to your parents and students that isn't being used by most teachers for some reason. So I recommend adding that announcements block to your home page just so you can start using announcements more. Parents and students will see it when they sign into PowerSchool Learning as well. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at robert.petito@woodward.edu. And as always, thanks for watching.